Well, this is one of my favorite tunes, so I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Paul, you want the top this?
Sure.
I want 2. I want 1, 2, 3. So